Does your plastic container storage drive you nuts and make you feel sad? Well, here, watch me. I'm gonna organize it so it's a lot easier to find stuff. I'm gonna start off by emptying out my drawer, vacuuming and wiping it down. And what about the bowls and the measuring cups? Gotta do the same thing. Look at all the crap I took out of my drawer. Man. So you're gonna go through and see the stuff that you wanna keep, the stuff you wanna get rid of and recycle. I'm gonna do my other drawer here. The key is stacking and keeping the lids separate so you could fit more in. I like to keep some old ones on hand in case I have someone over at my house and I want to send them home with some leftovers from a meal I make. Stacking bowls, measuring cups, strainers. There, that's so much better. I'm going to take all the stuff that I don't want, put it in my recycle container. Save Mother Earth. See? Isn't that much better? It's so satisfying. Look at that too. Everything is organized. I know where everything is. Now I can take it off my to-do list. See, I paused and I wrote it down. It feels so good to take that off my list. Thanks for watching.